One of our latest products, lockable box. This chest has over 50 products in it. Again, this would be an ultimate tool for getting all your hand tools in your backyard for installing your hardscape projects. Everything is nested in foam. So the minute I take a product out of there, or a tool, you're going to notice, obviously, when you open that box at the end of the day, you're going to notice that something is missing. Every one of these products is nested in foam. My layout box, tape measures, chalk lines, dry lines, knife, marking tools, scribes, markers, broom, our Quickie hammer for installing your spikes or your hybrid stake, all your chisels, hammers, pry bars, vice grips, screwdriver, trowel, caulking gun, paint gun, spare tube of caulk, spare tube of paint, hammers, nozzle for your water, little torpedo level, your square, speed square, and a set of lifters on the bottom. Again, this is just an idea. You can pick out any tools you want, easily cut the foam to whatever tools you're liking. Made it easily movable around your job site with your standard hand truck. It's going to push forward a little bit, slide your hand truck in, grab your handle here, into your backyard or back on your truck.